In today's digital world, performance is paramount. Users expect applications to be responsive, snappy, and efficient. Java, being a popular language for building a wide range of applications, demands careful attention to performance optimization. A slow application can lead to frustrated users, lost revenue, and damage to your brand's reputation. Imagine a scenario where an e-commerce website takes ages to load product pages. Potential customers are likely to abandon their carts and shop elsewhere. Conversely, a well-tuned application provides a seamless user experience, increasing customer satisfaction and driving business growth. Optimizing Java applications is not just about making them faster, it's about making them more efficient, scalable, and reliable. By fine-tuning your code and leveraging the power of the Java virtual machine, you can unlock significant performance gains and deliver a superior user experience. Before embarking on the journey of optimization, it's crucial to understand where your application is spending its time and resources. This is where profiling and monitoring come into play. Profiling involves analyzing the runtime behavior of your application to identify performance bottlenecks. Several tools are available to help you profile your Java applications, such as JProfiler, YourKit, and Visual VM. These tools provide insights into CPU usage, memory allocation, thread activity, and other critical metrics. By pinpointing the hotspots in your code, you can focus your optimization efforts where they matter most. Monitoring, on the other hand, involves continuously tracking the health and performance of your application in a live environment. Tools like Prometheus, Grafana, and Datadog allow you to collect and visualize performance data, set up alerts for potential issues, and gain a holistic view of your application's performance over time. Once you've identified the performance bottlenecks in your application, it's time to roll up your sleeves and start optimizing. Java offers a rich set of tools and techniques for improving performance, ranging from basic code-level optimizations to advanced JVM tuning. One of the most fundamental aspects of Java performance tuning is garbage collection. The JVM's garbage collector is responsible for reclaiming memory that is no longer in use. By understanding the different garbage collection algorithms and tuning the garbage collector settings, you can significantly reduce pause times and improve the overall responsiveness of your application. Another area where performance gains can be achieved is in the efficient use of data structures. Choosing the right data structure for your needs can make a world of difference in terms of performance. For example, if you need to perform frequent lookups on a large dataset, using a hash map would be significantly faster than using an array list. Synchronization overhead can also be a major performance bottleneck in multi-threaded applications. Minimizing the use of synchronized blocks and using efficient concurrency utilities like concurrent hashmap and atomic integer can help reduce contention and improve performance. Optimizing Java applications is not a one-time task, but rather a continuous process of improvement. As your application evolves and faces new challenges, it's essential to revisit your performance tuning strategies and adapt them accordingly. Remember, there is no silver bullet for Java performance optimization. What works best for one application may not be the optimal solution for another. It's crucial to experiment with different techniques, measure their impact, and find the right balance for your specific needs. By embracing a performance-centric mindset and continuously seeking ways to improve, you can ensure that your Java applications remain fast, efficient, and scalable for years to come.